Today we're delving into an essential topic, the role of supplements in a balanced diet. While a healthy diet forms the foundation of well-being, supplements can play a complementary role in filling nutritional gaps and supporting overall health. From vitamins to minerals and specialized formulations, supplements offer targeted support for specific needs like bone health, immune function, and more. Join me as we explore how supplements can enhance our nutritional intake and contribute to optimal wellness. Let's navigate the world of supplements together to make informed choices for a balanced and thriving lifestyle. Today, we will talk about the role of supplements in a balanced diet. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Supplements play a significant role in modern diets, providing essential nutrients that may be lacking or insufficiently obtained from food alone. While a balanced diet should ideally provide all necessary nutrients, various factors such as dietary preferences, lifestyle choices, health conditions, and environmental factors can influence nutrient intake. This comprehensive guide explores the types of supplements, their benefits, considerations for usage, and recommendations for integrating them into a balanced diet effectively. 1. Understanding nutrient needs. Nutrients are essential substances required for optimal body function, growth, and maintenance. They are categorized into macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. A balanced diet should provide these nutrients in adequate amounts to support overall health and well-being. Carbohydrates provide energy and fiber found in grains, fruits, vegetables. Proteins build and repair tissues found in meat, fish, dairy, legumes. Fats provide energy, support cell structure found in oils, nuts, avocados. Vitamins essential for various metabolic processes and immune function, egg, vitamin C, vitamin D, B vitamins. Minerals support bone health, nerve function, and fluid balance, egg, calcium, iron, magnesium. 2. Factors influencing nutrient intake. Several factors can affect nutrient intake and absorption, potentially necessitating supplementation. Dietary preferences. Vegan or vegetarian diets may lack certain nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids found predominantly in animal-based foods. Age and life stage. Infants, children, pregnant women, and older adults may have specific nutrient needs or require supplementation to meet recommended intake levels. Environmental factors. Exposure to pollutants, toxins, or medications can affect nutrient metabolism and utilization. 3. Types of supplements. Supplements are products intended to supplement the diet and typically come in various forms, including vitamins, single or multivitamin formulations containing essential vitamins such as A, B complex, C, D, E, and K. Minerals. Individual minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, selenium, and potassium. Probiotics. Live bacteria or yeasts that promote gut health and digestion. Herbal and botanical supplements. Extracts or powders from plants used for specific health benefits. Egg, turmeric for inflammation. Protein powders. Concentrated protein sources. Egg, whey, soy, pea protein for muscle repair and growth. Amino acids. Individual or combination amino acid supplements used for muscle recovery or specific health conditions. 4. Benefits of supplements. Supplements can offer several benefits when used appropriately to complement a balanced diet, supporting special diets, providing essential nutrients for individuals following restrictive diets, egg vegan, gluten-free, enhancing nutrient absorption, improving absorption of certain nutrients or compensating for impaired absorption due to health conditions. Sports performance. enhancing recovery, muscle repair, and endurance in athletes and physically active individuals. 5. Considerations for supplement use. While supplements can be beneficial, several considerations should be kept in mind to ensure safe and effective use. Quality and safety. Choose supplements from reputable manufacturers with third-party testing for quality, purity, and safety. Interactions. Be aware of potential interactions between supplements and medications, herbs, or other supplements. Long-term use. Monitor long-term use of supplements and reassess nutrient needs periodically based on changes in diet, health, or lifestyle. 6. Integrating supplements into a balanced diet. To integrate supplements effectively into a balanced diet, consider the following recommendations. Consult healthcare professionals. Seek guidance from registered dietitians, physicians, or pharmacists to develop a personalized supplement plan. Monitor effectiveness. Regularly assess the impact of supplements on health outcomes and adjust supplementation as needed based on changes in diet or health status. 7. Potential risks and precautions. While generally safe when used appropriately, supplements may pose risks in certain situations. Overdose, excessive intake of fat-soluble vitamins, egg, vitamin A, D, E, K, or minerals, egg, iron, calcium, can lead to toxicity. Quality concerns. Contaminated or improperly manufactured supplements may contain harmful substances or inaccurate labeling. Interaction with medications. Some supplements can interact with medications, affecting efficacy or causing adverse effects. Allergic reactions. Individuals with allergies or sensitivities to certain ingredients should check supplement labels carefully. Individual variability. Responses to supplements vary based on genetics, health status, age, and other individual factors. Supplements play a valuable role in supporting nutrient intake and overall health when integrated into a balanced diet and lifestyle. By addressing specific nutrient deficiencies, supporting dietary preferences, and enhancing overall well-being, supplements can complement healthy eating habits and promote optimal health outcomes. However, it's essential to approach supplement use with caution, choosing quality products, following recommended guidelines, and consulting healthcare professionals as needed. With informed choices and a personalized approach, individuals can effectively incorporate supplements into their daily routines to support a balanced diet and achieve long-term health and wellness goals. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.